Every single day, someone, somewhere, looks at their paycheck and feels like they're drowning. Rent, groceries, gas, debt. Repeat. You work, you earn. But wealth, that feels like a fantasy. I'm here to tell you something you probably haven't heard. You don't need a six-figure salary to become a millionaire. You just need the right moves. And by the end of this video, you'll have the exact blueprint to do it with the income you already have. You've been told the rich were born lucky or made it big in business. But here's what the data actually says. Ramsey Solutions studied over 10,000 US millionaires and found that 79% of them didn't inherit a penny. Fidelity Investment found that 88% of millionaires are self-made. No trust fund, no lottery win, just smart decisions. These people didn't earn millions. They built it slowly from a simple salary. Here's what no one tells you. Becoming a millionaire has very little to do with how much you actually make. But instead, it has everything to do with what you do with what you make. You don't need to earn six figures. You need to keep more of what you earn and grow it over time. A report from Charles Schwab's Modern Wealth Survey shows that many self-made millionaires made between $35,000 and $75,000 in their early careers. So no, you don't need to be a doctor or a software engineer. What you need is a game plan that's stronger than your excuses. Because 40K with a clear vision beats 120K with no discipline every single time. Your salary is not the ceiling, it's the starting point. If there's one concept that separates the rich from the broke, this is it. It's not a secret, it's not complicated, but almost no one is taught this in school. It's called the rule of 72. Here's how it works. Take the number 72 and divide it by your annual rate of return. The result, that's how many years it will take for your money to double. So if you're earning 10% a year, which is close to the average return of the S&P 500 over the past century, your money doubles every 7.2 years. That means if you start with just $10,000, in 7 years it would be $20,000. In 14 years that would be $40,000. In 21 years it would be $80,000. And that's without adding a single extra dollar. Compound interest isn't just math, it's time turned into wealth. And the earlier you start, the more time does the work for you. You're not working for money anymore. Your money is working for you while you sleep. Here's where most people go wrong. They think saving is enough. They work, they save, and they hope. But saving alone won't make you wealthy. You don't just want a bank balance. You want assets, things that grow, earn, and pay you, even when you're not working. So what kind of assets can your salary buy you? For instance, you can purchase stocks, owning small pieces of great companies, index funds, low cost, diversified, long-term growth, real estate, rental income plus property value growth. You can improve your skills, get more certifications, do courses, increase your education that will in turn increase your income. Think of every paycheck as a tool, and you can use it to buy food or to buy your freedom. Don't trade your time for money, but instead trade money for assets and let those assets buy back their time. Don't let your money sit and don't let your money rot. Let it work. Let it grow. Build something bigger than a paycheck. The thing is, to become a millionaire on your salary, you can increase your income, but it's how you use that extra money that makes the difference. First, focus on increasing your earning potential strategically. This could mean learning a new skill that pays more, asking for a raise, switching jobs for better pay and benefits, starting a side hustle that doesn't burn you out. But here's a catch. Most people earn more and spend more. They upgrade their lifestyle, buy the latest gadgets, or lease a new car. But please, don't do that. Instead, invest every dollar of your salary increase and let that extra cash go straight into your wealth building machine. That's how your income growth compounds your net worth. The secret: invest the difference, not the entire paycheck. Just the part that's new. Your lifestyle stays steady, your wealth grows exponentially. Remember, a bigger paycheck is just a bigger opportunity, not a bigger excuse to go shopping. Now let's talk about flexing. Showing off with new gadgets, cars, or expensive dinners. Yeah, it's tempting, especially when you finally get a raise or bonus. But here's the cold truth. Flexing buys status, not freedom. Millionaires, on the other hand, buy freedom. They invest in experiences, time with family, health, and peace of mind. According to the study of the Journal of Consumer Research, people who spend money on experiences report greater long-term happiness than those who buy material things. So instead of upgrading your cars, upgrading your life, buy more time, buy more options. Because the goal isn't to impress others, it's to live the life you always wanted, but on your own terms. Here's where the magic truly happens. Living below your means. Not just within your means, which is what most people aim for, but below them. It sounds simple, but it's a total game changer. Imagine earning $50,000 a year, but spending only $40,000. That extra $10,000, that's your freedom fund, your investment seed, your millionaire fuel. Too many people spend almost everything they make, while little is left for savings or investments. Don't be average. Live intentionally. Spend thoughtfully. Prioritize your future over fleeting pleasures. Because wealth isn't just about how much you make, it's about how much you keep and grow. So here's your blueprint to the millionaire status. Start now, no matter your salary. Understand that time and compound interest are your best friends. Turn your salary into assets, not expenses. Grow your income strategically and invest the difference. Choose freedom over flashy stuff and live below your means every day. Because becoming a millionaire isn't magic. It's mindset, discipline, and time. Now, are you ready to start building your financial future? If you found this helpful, hit that like button. It really helps others find this message. Got questions or want to share your own journey? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you are serious about building real wealth from your salary, subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss future videos packed with practical advice. Remember, your millionaire journey doesn't start tomorrow. It starts right now. Let's build that future together.